I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious and refreshing 100% real Pitaya coconut milk. This drink is sweet and it's creamy. Now it's going to be a little bit bushy, but this one will catch your eye from across the room. So in order to make this, what I'm going to do is I have some almost pureed pitaya. I'm going to put this in the bottom of the cup, and I'm going to fill it about less than halfway full. And then in the middle, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be using coconut ice cubes that I have prepared ahead of time. Because if I save this drink for later, I don't want regular ice to water down my drink. And then I'm just going to put a little bit extra pitaya on the top. And then I have fresh coconut milk that I made with the Namba J2. And I'm just going to pour this right on top. This is a cool drink to have when it's hot outside, and you can even have this as a meal replacement because the dragon fruit and the coconut milk can really fill you up. So let's give it a try. It's perfect. I recommend.